Hi everyone, welcome to Unit 6, Week 4, Day 1. So we're going to start with some phonemic awareness. This is where you listen to sounds. So in the past, we've done like kit, t, and put those together. And those are syllables. So if I break kitty apart, it'd be k, kit, t, 2 syllables. Now we're not doing the sounds, because if I did the sounds, it'd be k, it, e, 4 sounds. Today we're doing syllables, kid, t, 2. So today I'm going to say the end of a syllable, and you have to put the front on it. So if I have the word pup, if I have the word pet, and I put pet and I put pup in front, it would be puppet. So add 10 to the end of kit, kitten. Add d to the end of taste, tasted. Add ing to the end of bake, baking. Add not to the end of can, cannot. Okay, we're going to quickly review these. We already learned these. These are our silent letters. So I will give you 3 seconds and then we'll review them. 3, 2, 1, right. 3, 2, 1, knee. 3, 2, 1, knock. 3, 2, 1, wrong. 3, 2, 1, wrote. 3, 2, 1, wrong. 3, 2, 1, gnat. Now this might look like a heart, but it's supposed to be a little bug. Gnats are tiny. 3, 2, 1, knight. Like this is a knight who goes and saves someone. 3, 2, 1, wrist. 3, 2, 1, wrap. Like wrap the present. Okay, now today we are going to be talking about 3-letter blends. In the past, we've learned 2-letter blends. So if I have BL, BL, bull, 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 BL has 2 sounds that stay, they're sounds, but we put them together. So B-ul becomes bull. So there are still 2 sounds, but we're putting them together. So it's bull. Now, today we are going to be working on 3 letters that come together to make a 3-letter blend. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to show you how this will work. So let's make the 3 sounds first. S, p, ul. Now put it together. Spull, as in splash. Oh, sorry guys. I don't know why it does that. It's a little. There we go. Okay, let's make the sounds. S, k, put it together. Skr, as in scratch. Okay, next one. As in spur, as in spray. As in stir, like string. Oh, geez. And then this one is 3 letters, but TH makes 1 sound, which is so we have but technically it's 3 letters. So that would be thir, as in 3. So that one is a little different. And here's another one. Sh, SH makes 1 sound, sh, and add sure. Okay, let's blend some of these. Stir, keep your voice on, stirry, street, street. Geez, no. Scrap. Scrap. Okay. Splash. Splash. Spur. Matisse, hold on. You've got to go for a minute. Spur. Remember, this is ow. Sprout. Sprout. So if something sprouts, it's just coming out of the ground. It's just brand new. Okay, 3. So that one was 3. Sure. Okay, so I'm going to go down here and show you these. Stir, e, skr, oo, spol, a, th. Now you'll notice THR has 3 letters. That's a 3-letter blend. This is actually a diphthong. No, it's not a diphthong. It's a digraph. Sorry about that. This is a digraph. So it's 2 sounds that make 1 sound. So we don't say ta-ha, we say th or th. So this is partly a digraph and then another blend. So this is th, that's a digraph. Sure, ah, ink, I, ooh, like blue, ah, oh, whoops, sorry guys, ah, sp, and o. So I'm going to circle the ones we're focusing on. Stir, sure, spol, skr. So let's blend some of these. I will help you because this is brand new. Stir, strong, strong. Stir, street. Okay. Sk, skr, scrub. Sp, spur, a. So the AY says a. Spray. Through. Spol, it. Split. Now you might want to say 1, but this is not one. This would be thrown. Stir, ah, remember the ah card, ah, straw. Sure, ink, shrink. Okay. Skr, screen. Spur. Now we would want to say eed, but spreed isn't a word. So remember, EA can say E or eh. So it's not spreed, it'd be spread, like you spread butter on toast. Stir, strike. Okay, this time it's your turn. I'm going to give you 3 seconds. I will underline the 3-letter blend. 3, 2, 1, scrap. 3, 2, 1, throat. 3, 2, 1, strange. 3, oh, this one doesn't have one. This just has our silent letter. 3, 2, 1, writers. 3, 2, 1, glued. Now this is a 2-letter blend. So it's just a blend. 3, 2, 1, taught. Ooh, here's a compound word. We have a lot of skills in this one. 3, 2, 1, knee pad. Oh, here's another compound word. 3, 2, 1, bed, spread. So it wouldn't be bread spread, it'd be bed spread. So that's what you cover a bed with. Let's read our sentence. Is thread. We wouldn't say threed, we'd say thread. So thread is what you sew with. Is thread as strong as string? We will stroll. We will stroll down the street. And stroll means you're just kind of walking together. 3, fish, splashed. And ed means it's in the past. Splashed in the stream. Okay, so once again, SCR says skr, SPL says spul, SPR says spur, THR says thur, SHR says sure. So you will do your spelling on Spelling City, or you can do it in your booklet. Okay, so here are some words. stir, ike, strike, splash, splash, blend, keep your voice on, three, blend, scrape, spray, is thread, remember this is thread as strong as string. Okay, here is our story for today. I'm going to underline our 3-letter blends. Scrubbing cars clean. Okay, here we go. Check out this car. It has streaks, that means lots of stuff on it, streaks of dirt all over. How can it get clean? Have you heard of a car wash? Take your car to get washed. It can be a thrill. Thrill means like super exciting. The front of the car is first. Then get the wheels on the track and see it get clean. First, jets of water spray to get the car wet. Then soap squirts out. The car passes through long, soft strips of cloth. There's the cloth. The strips spread soap on the car. So they're putting soap all over it to clean it. The car keeps rolling on the track. Water and soap splash on it to scrub off the dirt. Then more jets stream fresh water on the car. The car passes through a big dryer before it leaves the tunnel. At the end, it gets a push out of the tunnel. The car shines like new. Tomorrow, it may get dirty again. Then it's back to the car wash. Okay, here are our high frequency words. Before. My name comes before your name in ABC order. Front. Push the cart in front of you. Heard. Have you heard that the plane will fly tomorrow? Push. Push the cart in front of you. Tomorrow. Had you heard that the plane will fly tomorrow? Your. My name comes before your name in ABC order. Okay, so really quickly, we're going to go over the grammar focus for this week. So when we are talking about I in a sentence, we're talking about the subject or who it's about. When we are talking about me, we're talking about it's an objective pronoun, which means it's explaining what happened to you. So the verb will come before me, but the verb will come after I. So for example, I like to play ball. So who is it about? It's about you, I. And what do you like to do? You like to play. That's a verb. So your verb comes after the subject. Your subject here is I. You're talking about you. Now watch, if I put me at the end, it becomes objective, which means it's telling what's happening to you. Will likes to play ball with me. So the verb happens first. And what do they like to do with you, with me? They like to play ball. So the verb happens first, and then me is objective. So that means what's happening to me. So these are called subjective and objective pronouns, and it shows you how to use I and me. I would not say me like to play ball. I would say I like to play ball. You would not say Will likes to play ball with I. You'd say Will likes to play ball with me. Okay, I want you to identify the pronouns I and me. I can throw the ball. 3, 2, 1, I. And the verb throw is after. It's subjective. My dad and I play catch. 3, 2, 1, I. So we're looking for I and me, or me. So I is before the verb, which is catch. So once again, it's subjective. I'm just going to write that little part. Okay, next, my dad showed me how to catch the ball. 3, 2, 1, me. It's objective because he's showing him how to catch it, but showed was before me. And last of all, he helps me get ready for the game. It would be me. And me is a pronoun, and the verb help is before it, so it's objective. Okay, everyone, I hope that makes sense. Bye.